this wasn't a Yogarati workshop, I have Yogarati wristbands, and the most important part about this is it says breathe, okay? So I actually want to try, the people that are filling out evaluations, that's fine, try it as well, okay? So take one hand or two hands and put it on your belly, and what I'm going to ask you to do is intentionally do a big belly breath. So, I mean, listen, I could have had a six-pack, it's really easy to do, but I focused on building this round, like, keg type thing for you so that you can have a visual aid. I ate a lot of pizza and ice cream for you, so I hope you appreciate it. Okay, that's well, throw responsibility out the window. So, one hand or two hand. When you take a big belly breath in, you're going to push your stomach out, actually using your ab muscles. Believe me, they're under there. Okay? And then when you breathe out, you're intentionally going to pull your stomach in. So everybody try. Breathe in, stomach out. Breathe out, stomach in. Try it again. Breathe in, stomach out. Breathe out, stomach in. One more time. Breathe in, breathe out. Another breathing that I do is called cold breathing. Cold breathing is when you take your tongue, you put it behind the back of your bottom teeth. So when you take your tongue and you put it like this. Does everybody know what I'm talking about? Everybody say wav. Wav. I would say twoo wav. Twoo wav. It's a magical experience. It's a magical experience. Everybody say mawid. Mawid. Okay, good. Anybody not see Princess Bride here? Still going, awesome. So, you take your tongue, put it behind the back of your bottom teeth, and then you're going to breathe in with your mouth like this. And then breathe out with your mouth. More intentionally, just focus on the schwitzen canal. Breathe in, and breathe out. So, what do you feel when you breathe in with your mouth? What's that? Cool air. So intentionally, and it tricks the body into calming itself down. Does that make sense?